What's that?
Look at Aunt Jen.
Hi.
Why are you walking away from me?
Where is it? What?
I don't think you can see.
Yeah, we're just a couple of cool guys wearing our sunglasses, man. Yeah, I know. Doesn't matter that it's inside and it's dark. Yeah, you know it. Yeah.
Duet? Nobody really knows what you're saying.
No.
Hey.
Yeah, don't touch that.
Don't touch it.
Said don't touch.
I know. Good touch?
It should have said that. She doesn't.
What?
Did you find out when you send stuff like Indiana?
Gotta look over them to see.